today Kristen is here. Look
Should
ahead.
be gore tomorrow.
It's too bad we can't take today and fast forward it to tomorrow for all those celebrating.
Does that mean we're going to have Irish-type weather tomorrow?
That means we're going to have green on the radar.
Yeah,
so yes, we are, Jeff. We are going to have some Irish-type weather tomorrow. But it won't be nearly as bad as this weekend, so don't even think that yet. So definitely some good news there. This weekend was pretty brutal. This is a look at a time lapse up at Lincoln City. Just beautiful out there, and I think it's going to be an outstanding sunset with these clouds moving on in as we get closer and closer to time for the sun to go down right after 7 p.m. So look for that. It's going to be beautiful. Astoria, you can see these clouds. I mean, they definitely tend to bring out the color when the sun does start to set. So definitely something to look for along the coast. It's going to be a treat. 59 degrees right now in Astoria. Winds coming in from the northwest at 10. So light winds, especially compared to what they were doing yesterday. And you can see where all the cloud cover actually is. Out across central and eastern Oregon, it's been really tough to break out of these clouds, and we're not going to do it now. And tomorrow, they'll be hard pressed to get out of here too, and we'll have to throw in a few sprinkles. In fact, we've seen some of that out over in Bend, a few sprinkles here and there. Meanwhile, the total opposite happening along the Cascades to the coast, where we just have had a lot of sunshine going. Here's a look at what's ahead, though. You can see two storm systems, one here and then one here. This one is not going to get here for a while. In fact, it's going to be delayed by an area of high pressure that's going to be building in. But this one right here is going to be the one that moves in tonight, and that's going to bring in that moisture to bring in a few spotty showers here and there for your St. Patrick's Day. But again, this next system behind it is going to stall out a bit, so we'll get a few days of sunny, beautiful weather before it gets here, just in time to wrap up the work week and head into the weekend. So your rain and cloud forecast for the rest of the evening. Clouds will continue to lift in from the south, watching for a few showers east of the Cascades. Cascades will have to watch for rain and high elevation snow, and then of course watching for a few spot showers. This is very early tomorrow morning, 6:45, and then we get a break from it for much of the late morning hours, so we're dry. You head out to lunch, and you can very easily see dry conditions, though gray conditions for lunch. Meanwhile, central and eastern Oregon getting a nice break too, getting some sunshine going there. And then for the afternoon, we're going to have these showers popping back up again, and so we'll have to keep a close eye on those. That's when we could get into some of those downpours that may be around from time to time. Still doesn't look like it's going to be anything like we had to deal with over the weekend, though. And then as we go into your Wednesday, leftover cloud cover in the morning, and it clears on out. Beautiful weather for us Wednesday. Going into Thursday, it looks really nice too. A lot of sunshine for us too. So tomorrow will be one of those days. Maybe download the PDX weather app. I use it quite a bit to look at the radar, because not everyone's going to be getting hit with the rain. And so you could use that to kind of see where the rain is and if you're going to need to anticipate any wet conditions tomorrow. So your St. Patrick's Day forecast at noon will be in the mid-50s as we go into the afternoon, topping out only in the upper 50s thanks to the cloud cover. Dry conditions for lunch, just a few stray showers here and there. And then for the afternoon, watching for the showers to pop back up again. And by the time we get into the overnight, a lot of the activity starts to die down. If you're going to be doing St. Patrick's Day at the coast, we'll have to dodge some rain here too. Low 50s in the morning, mid 50s for the afternoon, but the wind's not too terrible for you. Just a little breezy from time to time. Central Oregon and Bend, mostly cloudy skies. Just a chance for a few stray showers in the afternoon. We'll start off at 40, and highs once again will struggle to get out of the 50s there. And if you're doing St. Patrick's Day in Hood River, we'll start off with the clouds. It's basically the same deal. We'll have a few stray pockets of light rain in the morning, and then as we go through the day, just dodging a few showers here and there. Nothing too torrential for you, and by the time we get into the overnight hours, those temperatures falling back to the low 50s. So highs in the upper 50s to around 60 tomorrow, I-5, mid 50s for the coast, central and eastern Oregon in the upper 50s. But watch what happens Wednesday with that sunshine. We're talking 60s from the coast and even east of the Cascades, so not too bad at all. 7-day forecast showing the nice conditions Wednesday and Thursday, dodging a few showers tomorrow, and then spring arrives Friday, and temperatures will be nice and warm too.
Yeah, I was going to say spring hits, even though we've had spring the last 2 months.
Yeah,
but when spring officially arrives Friday, it looks like it'll be a spring type day.
It will, and it'll be a good time. If you've ever wondered where true east and west is in your yard, go out at sunrise or sunset.
Oh, really?
Because it's the equinox, and you can find out.
Yeah, that's right.
Love it.
Little tip.
I'm going to do that.